Good morning. Good morning. Sorry for a little delay. Sorry for a little delay. So let's move. Let's move forward. Just give me 1 minute. Just give me 1 minute. Yeah, this is the place. This is the place where we stopped in the last class. This is the place where we stopped in the last class. This is the place. So expressive power. So I think expressive power we done. A power and B power and C power and is the finite automata not possible. PDA check. Okay, we'll try now. We'll try now. We'll try now. We'll try now. Yeah, I'm trying now. So how many people done this homework? How many people done this homework? Good morning. First of all, good morning everyone. Yeah, good morning everyone. Good morning everyone. Yeah, first let me know. Let me know what is the date today? What is the date today? Is it 7th? 7th to 25. 7th to 25. I think so. I think so. 7th to 25. Yeah, this is the homework which I given. How many people done? This is a homework which we given. How many people done this? Let me know. Everyone, let me know this. How many people done this? This homework done by how many people? Finite automata is not possible. What about PDA? PDA means can you do with one stack? Can you do with one stack? How many people done this? Let me check. How many people done this homework? How many people done this? Someone is saying PDA also not possible. What is the PDA? With one stack, can you do or not? PDA means with one stack, can you do or not? When you say PDA, with one stack, can you do or not? With one stack, can you do? So let's check once. Let's check once. So if you take some input of this language, let us assume triple A, triple B, or 5 A's, 5 B's, one valid string I am taking, 5 C's. 5 A's, 5 B's, 5 G's. 5 A's, 5 B's, 5 C's. 5 A's, 5 B's, 5 G's. This is the input. Using PDA, can I do it or not? Means using one stack, can I do it or not? Using one stack, can I do it or not? Take one stack first. Right, starting keep dollar, which will indicate bottom of the stack. Dollar means no one is there in the stack. Dollar means no one in the stack. Now see what happened. Whenever A will come, push. A push, A push, A also push. If A's are coming, push. If A's are coming, push. A's are coming, push. Then what happened is, then the stack will become like this. A is coming, push, I done this. Then stack will become like this. Then followed by 5 A's will push. 5 A's will push. Okay. A's will come, push, I done it. Now can you help? B is coming, what should I do now? B coming, what should I do? Yeah, please suggest me everyone. B is coming, what should I do? Remember here I want to compare number of A's equal to number of B's equal to number of C's or not. I want to compare 3 people. I want to compare 3 people. I want to compare 2 people, A's, B's and A's, C's. A's, B's and A's, C's. A's coming push, okay. B's coming, what should I do? Yeah, someone is saying B coming pop. If at all B is coming, if I pop, you will compare with C's with whom? What about C's? What about C's? For every B, you are cancelling A. Means A's and B's you are comparing. Okay. B is coming, A popping. B is coming, A popping. B is coming, A popping. So B's and A's you are comparing. I'm happy. But what about C's? With whom you will compare C's? Because for every B, if you pop A, no more A's in the stack. With whom you will compare C's? With whom you will compare C's? B is coming, pop A. B is coming, pop A. Let us assume that you done like that. B coming, pop A. Okay. B is coming, pop A. Okay. B is coming, pop A. Okay. B is coming, pop A. That is also okay. B is coming, pop A. That is also okay. Now what happened is, for every B, A pop. 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 Now if you observe clearly, further B's are not coming. Top of the stack is dollar. This indication that A is equal to B's. A is equal to B's. Whenever B is over, see, whenever B is over, A is also over. See, B is over. A is also over. That means A is equal to B. But the problem here is, these are cancelled for every B A, for every B A, for every B A, for every B A, for every B A. See, B's are over, A's also over. This indication that A is equal to B's. But C's are asking with whom I will compare. C's are asking with whom I will compare. So, what is the answer? Someone is saying that we can pop A, push B. Someone is saying we can pop A, push B. See, if you pop A, see correctly. If you pop A, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. See this one. Whenever B coming, pop A, push B. Okay. If I do this, for the second B, what I will do? Pop A, push B. If I do that, for second B, how can I pop A? For second B, how can I pop A? A is no more in the stack now. A is no more in the stack now. What about C's? So with one stack not possible. So this problem cannot solve. So this problem cannot solve. So this problem cannot solve with one stack. That means PDA not possible. That means PDA not possible. If anyone having a dare, if you think it is possible, you can try with one stack. This problem cannot be done with one stack. This problem cannot be done with one stack. If you think you can do, please let me know. This problem cannot be done with one stack. You do whatever way you want. But remember, we have one stack. A is coming push, B is coming pop. Okay, A's and B's you are comparing. One person you are pushing, one person you are popping. Means you are comparing A's, B's. Okay, A's, B's are successfully done. Number of A's equal to number of B's you proved successfully. But what about C's? You have to compare A's and C's also. With whom you will compare? You want to compare with this A's. You want to compare with A's. A's not there in the stack. And some people are asking, sir, go back and do once again. Sir, go back and do once again. Ready, sir? Go back and do once again. I cannot go back. I cannot go back. Same input I cannot read again and again. Same input I cannot read again and again. Same input I cannot go back. I cannot read again and again. Understand? One scan only. So people got to know this problem cannot be solved with one stack. Mean PDA not possible. Remember everyone. If at all comparison is there, finite automata fail. If at all more than one comparison, here A's, B's you have to compare, A's, C's also you have to compare. More than one comparison, PDA fail. One comparison also finite automata fail. More than one comparison, PDA fail. So to this one, you have to go for Turing machine. You have to go for Turing machine. Let's see this one. What the Turing machine is, I am just writing here. I am writing here PDA plus one stack. PDA plus one stack, which is called Turing machine. PDA plus one stack, which is called Turing machine. Right? So remember PDA already contain finite automata plus one stack. Total observation, if you see, finite automata plus two stacks is known as Turing machine. Finite automata also there and two stacks also there. You can use two stacks here. We can use two stacks here. PDA plus one stack, because the PDA contains one stack. With one stack we cannot do. Add one more stack. PDA plus one stack. PDA plus one stack. PDA already contain one stack. What is the PDA? Finite automata plus one stack. Total finite automata plus two stacks, which is known as Turing machine. Some people are asking, Reddy sir, can you solve this problem using two stacks? I am trying. Can you see this one? Can I solve this problem using two stacks? Can you see this one? Triple A, double A, triple B, double B, triple C, double C. So this is the input. So I took one stack. Now see the logic. A coming push. So like that, A is coming push, A is coming push, A is coming push, A is coming push, A is coming push. So now if you see the stack look like this. Dollar, all A's will be pushed. All A's will be pushed. Okay. Now see the answer. B's are coming. See this one? For every B, everyone listen. For each B, pop A. For each B, pop A, and one more. If you for every A, if you pop B, then for every A, if you pop B, B's will be over, A's will be over. Then what about C's? With whom you will compare C's? Now see what happened. For every B, pop A. Okay, I will do one more thing. For every B, one pop A you are doing, that is fine, right? So you have to do one more thing also. push B. For every B, pop A and push B. But pop A in this stack, push B in another stack. Or push A also, whatever it is, because A's are B's. A is equal to B's. Push A also, okay. For every B, pop A and push A. In another stack, push A, because in this stack, I will check A is equal to C's. In this stack, I will check A is equal to B's. Now see this one. For every B, pop A, there may be so many ways. There may be so many ways, don't worry. For every B, pop A and push A. Then what happened is, this B, this A is cancelled. Right? So it will be pushed once again. One more. This is for this. For every B, pop A and push A. For every B, pop A and push B. For every B, pop A and push B. Now see the interesting story. Now further, if you see, for every B, pop A, push A, that's okay. All B's are over. See, now no more B's. B's over. First stack is, top of the stack is empty. See, B's over. B's over. Here A is also over. That means A is equal to B's. B is over, then I got to know A is also over. Then A is equal to B. Now, if you observe clearly, A's, B's both cancel. That's okay. Now, in the second stack, if you observe, A's are there. Now, C's are there. Now, see, for every C here, if you observe, for every C, pop A. C coming, pop A. C is 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 coming, pop A. So like that. Now if you observe clearly, C is over. C is right over. But interesting thing I got to know, in the stack also empty. Dollar is coming in, then the stack means stack also empty. C is over. I got to know. A is also over. So C is equal to A's. So final conclusion is A is equal to B's and A is equal to C's. Finally, A is equal to B is equal to C's. Let me know any objection. Let me know any objection. So to solve this problem, two stacks are required. Finite automata plus two stacks is called Turing machine. Right? PDA plus one stack is called as a Turing machine. Another way, finite automata plus two stacks is nothing but Turing machine. This is the way. There may be so many ways of saying the same thing. You do whatever way you want, but remember two comparison. See, the first comparison, if you observe, A's, B's compare. See, whenever B is coming, you are popping A. B coming, pop A. B coming, pop A. This part indicate B coming, pop A. B's and A's you are comparing. And this part indication that C is coming, pop A. A's and C's you are comparing. Whenever you got to know C's over, you got to know A's also over. Whenever you got to know B's over, A's also over. So one thing proved it, A is equal to B. One thing proved it, C is equal to A. So final conclusion is A is equal to B, A is equal to C, which is equal to A is equal to B is equal to C. Let me know if anyone having any doubt. Early morning coming, sitting idle may not be good idea. Early morning coming, sitting idle is not a good idea. If you have doubt, you can ask. I don't have any internal mark. I cannot do anything. Someone is saying that between PDA and Turing machine, there is a LBA also. Why you didn't try LBA? So remember, LBA, theoretically present, practically not there. What is the difference between? And one more thing is, Turing machine and LBA almost similar. There is a minute difference. I will explain afterwards. LBA theoretically present, practically not there. And however, there is a minute difference. Linear bounded automata. There is a minute difference between LBA and Turing machine. Almost both are same. Minute difference there. Afterwards, I will explain. Thank you so much for asking, Sunny. Sunny, thank you so much for asking. Right? Can we move further? Can we move further? Everyone say. Can we move further? Yeah. So the final conclusion what you got is no comparison. Finite automata, okay. So let me write those. Note 1. Note 1. If no comparison, then finite automata mostly possible. If no comparison, then finite automata mostly possible. Second one, note 2. If comparison needed, mostly finite automata not possible, then we have to go to PDA. If comparison needed, mostly finite automata fail. Remember, I am writing mostly. You have to think a little bit. Don't say anything blindly, because there are some twists in the exam, right? There are some small twists. There may be, right? Finite language. If finite automata is possible. So, sir, because of your comparison is required, it is not regular, it is not finite automata. If you say like that, you may be loser. There may be some conditions inside. You have to use brain. Oh, your comparison is required. Mostly finite automata is not possible. Please check if it's really true or not. Please check finite automata possible or not. Any conditions are given. Please verify. If no comparison, then finite automata mostly possible. Sometimes may not be possible also. Right? You will get further. I cannot say everything as of now. If no comparison, then finite automata mostly possible. Next one. If comparison needed, mostly finite automata is not possible, then we have to go to PDA. If comparison, mostly finite automata fail. So, however, sometimes may be possible. You have to check the problem clearly. Please clear it out yourself. Any logic is there, any twist there, you have to check. Next one. See the note 3, right? Note 1 over, note 2 over, note 3. Note 3. If more than one comparison. If like a power n, b power n, like so, more than one comparison. If more than one compare, like this one, a power n, b power n, here one comparison. Next one, b power n, c power n, here one comparison. See, more than one comparison. More than one comparison. But if you see the first problem, a power n, b power n. See this one, here one comparison. A's, b's, you have to compare. But if you see the first problem, a power m, b power n, see, no comparison. Any number of a's, any number of b's. See this one. It is the n b's, it is the m a's, no relation. Finite automata is possible for this. If no comparison, then finite automata mostly possible. A's coming followed by b's. You no need to compare a's and b's. No comparison. In the first one, no comparison. A power n, b power n. In the second one, comparison. Let's see. N a's, n b's. Both should be same. In the third one, if you see, if more than one comparison, see, A's, B's you have to compare. B's, C's also you have to compare. If more than one comparison, then mostly finite automata and PDA not possible. Then we have to go to Turing machine. Or if you want, you can write LBA also. LBA theoretically present, practically not there. So I am writing Turing machine. If more than one comparison, then mostly finite automata PDA not possible. However, sometimes may be possible. You have to check a problem clearly. 99% it is not possible. However, you have to check the problem clearly. That is the meaning of exam. In the exam, they will keep small conditions. They will check, are you logically strong or not? They will check, are you thinking or not? Are you by-hearted person? Are you checking properly? Do you have common sense or not? They will verify all, because they cannot give seats to every person in IIT. They want to take those people who are using common sense. Computer science means common sense only. Computer science means common sense only. Just they want to verify, do you have common sense or not? Just they want to verify, do you have common sense? Or are you by-hearted person? Blindly, no comparison of finite automata, right? One comparison of PDA, next one, more than one comparison, Turing machine. Are you blindly by-hearted? Are you using common sense? Are you opening eyes and checking? So they want to verify everything, right? Please careful. 99% comparison is there, finite automata fail. More than one comparison, PDA fail. Most probably 99%. I can say 100% also, but there may be some small conditions. Please take care. Note 1, note 2, note 3. Yeah, let me know anyone having any doubt till now. Let me know anyone having any doubt till now. Everyone, please let me know. Do you have any doubt? Not only coming early morning, please ask doubts. Not only coming early morning, please ask doubts. Please ask doubts. Not only coming early morning, please ask doubts. So until now, if you observe, I just said some very important statements. Until now, I said very important statement. What is formal language? I given. What is formal language? I given. Next one I said, right? So how many formal languages are there? First of all, I explained what is the formal language. Next, I explained how many formal languages are there. What is the relation between all formal languages? Next one, for every formal language, what is the associated automata? For every formal language, what are the associated automata? So there are four automatas. For every one automata is associated. Next one, what is the power of every automata? Means which automata having more power? Automata means machine. Comparing the calculator, computer having more power. Comparing computer, right? Some other thing having more power. So one machine to another machine, powers are keep on increasing. Powers are keep on increasing. The automata which can handle many languages, I can say more expressive power is there. So if you observe clearly, finite automata expressive power 1 because it can handle only regular languages. PDA expressive power is 2 because PDA means finite automata plus one stack. Finite automata also there. Whatever finite automata can do, PDA can do, plus because of stack, one more thing it can do extra. So PDA can handle CFL also, regular also. See, PDA can handle, PDA boundary is what this. PDA can handle finite automata also, sorry, PDA can handle regular also, CFL also. Right, next one, LBA, if you observe clearly, CSL also, CFL also, regular also, it can handle. However, because of it is not there practically, we didn't discuss it in the right whatever we done till now, but theoretically it is present. So LBA is here until here. Right, LBA internally contain, it is accepting CSL, it is complete, it is accepting CFL, it is accepting regular 3 languages. Turing machine is accepting 4 languages. So, right, most saturated machine, Turing machine. Most saturated machine, Turing machine. Please try to understand. Turing machine can understand and from here to here. Okay, fine. Next one. After discussion of all the formal languages and automatas, now immediate question people will ask me, sir, why these many formal languages? Why these many automatas? Remember, small languages can be accepted by small machines. Big languages will be accepted by bigger machine. For every small problem also, I cannot use the bigger machine. For small thing, why should I use a Turing machine? For small thing, go for regular. Little more smaller, go for PDA. Little more smaller, go for LBA. If you think that the problem is complex, then go for Turing machine. Why these many formal languages and why these many automatas? I started very small formal language, A power n I took. Here, no comparison, nothing. See, only A's are there with whom you will compare. Only A's are there with whom you will compare. Right? So, only A's. I think no comparison. Only A's with whom I will compare. So, finite automata is enough. Now, here A's, B's both are there. You have to compare A's also, B's also. You have to compare A's also, B's also. Oh, one comparison is there. One comparison is there means comparison means some data structure required, like stack. When you say comparison, definitely A's, B's you have to compare. So A's will be pushed inside stack because until B will come, A have to wait. When you say compare, 2 people required. A required, B required. First A's are coming. So whenever B started coming, all A's will be over. If you don't store them, how to compare? So I think A's comparison means 2 people required. Until second one will come, first one have to wait. Where you have to wait in some data structure, which is nothing but stack. So take the stack. Whenever A's are coming, push. Whenever B's are coming, then you can pop. Popping is nothing but comparing. B coming, top of the stack is A, pop. B coming, top of the stack is A, pop. So whenever comparison, finite automata fail because you don't have stack, because you don't have storing capability. Finite automata don't have storing capability. So A is coming push, B is coming pop. So, but there is no stack in the finite automata. Then we went for PDA. So PDA I explained, right? A is coming push, B is coming for every A pop. B is coming A pop, B is coming pop, like that. So if input is dollar means B is over. Top of the stack also dollar means A is over. So for every B, one A is popped. Means number of A's equal to number of B's. But however, even though comparison is there, if finite language, even though comparison is there because of finite language, Finite automata possible. Finite automata saying that even though comparison is there, even though it is a very tough, but small thing I can handle. Finite automata saying that even though comparison there, even though comparison is there, even though it is very tough, but still I can handle if at all, small language like finite language I can handle. Next one, more than one comparison. See, here one comparison, here one more comparison, more than one comparison, more than one comparison, more than one comparison required. So PDA is saying that I have only one stack, more than one comparison I cannot handle. So with one stack, definitely more than one comparison cannot be done. Then add one more stack. For the PDA, if we add one more stack, which is nothing but a finite automata plus two stacks, which is known as Turing machine. So with the help of two stacks, most of the things can be done. Now the final conclusion what we got is, if no comparison, then finite automata mostly possible. Only A is fine, only B is fine, A is followed by B is also okay, B is followed by A's also okay, but no comparison between A's and B's. Any number of A's, any number of B's. No comparison. Mostly finite automata possible. There may be some small twists, please take care. Don't say blindly possible. Don't say blindly not possible. Use common sense also. If you see the note 2, if comparison needed, just comparison needed, mostly finite automata is not possible. A power and B power and C comparison, then we have to go to PDA. Next one, if more than one comparison, then mostly finite automata PDA not possible. Then we have to go to Turing machine. We have to go to Turing machine. These all are the things what we discussed. These all are the things what we discussed. Right? Fine. Perfect. Perfect. Now let's go to actual basics. I think all the things we done. So I think let me extend a little more also. See everyone, finite automata. Remember, finite automatas are two types, right? Many types are there, we will see afterwards. As of now, whatever possible, let me say finite automata is two types. What is that one? DFA, NFA. Finite automata is two types, DFA, NFA. Next one, PDA also two types, right? DPDA, NPDA. Finite automata two types, two types, DPDA, NPDA. Next one, right? LBA we don't need to discuss. LBA we don't need to discuss. Next one, Turing machine is two types. Turing machine is two types. That is, right, DTM, NTM. So what is the meaning of DFA? Deterministic finite automata. What is the NFA? Non-deterministic finite automata. I will explain afterwards. Finite automata is two types, DFA, NFA. PDA is two types, DPDA, NPDA. Turing machine is two types, deterministic Turing machine, non-deterministic Turing machine. PDA also same, deterministic PDA, non-deterministic PDA. DPDA, NPDA, DTM, NTM, DFA, NFA, right? And one more. Remember, for any language, for any formal language, DFA possible, NFA also possible. So in terms of expressive power, both will be same. In terms of expressive power, both are same. For any formal language, DFA possible, deterministic finite automata possible, right? Non-deterministic finite automata also possible. They both are having same power. Expressive power of DFA means how many things a DFA can accept. Expressive power of NFA also same. Those many things NFA also can express. Exactly same. They both are same. Different way of saying. So what I mean to say is, every boy, every girl same. Every boy, every girl same. You cannot say boys are greater. You cannot say girls are greater. Girls are superior. I don't accept. Boys are superior. I don't accept. They both needed. Every family needed both. Right? If at all, if you want to say boys are great, if you want to say, stay in one house, only boys only, without any girl, please stay. If anyone say only girls needed, so stay in one family, in your family, only with girls only. You can see the problems what can arise. So both needed. God created both the people because both needed. Every family needed both. You cannot say boys are greater. You cannot say girls are greater. Both are needed. It is almost like this. Expressive power of boys is equal to expressive power of girls. They both needed. Finite automata are two types, DFA, NFA. Deterministic finite automata, non-deterministic finite automata. Different representations, but both are having same power. For every NFA, DFA possible. For every DFA also NFA possible. Now, if you go to the Turing machine, expressive power of DTM, expressive power of NTM, both same. Whatever DTM can do, NTM also can do. Whatever NTM can do, DTM also can do. So approximately they both are equal. But see the interesting story. DPDA, NPDA, their powers are different. So expressive power of DPDA, expressive power of NPDA. Remember, NPDA is greater. NPDA having more power. For every DPDA, NPDA possible. For every NPDA, DPDA is not possible. Try to understand. For every DPDA, NPDA possible. For every NPDA, you cannot create DPDA. It is not possible. So here possible, both the direction possible. NFA there means DFA there. DFA there means NFA there. DTM possible means NTM possible. NTM possible means DTM possible. For every DPDA, NPDA possible. For every NPDA, DPDA not possible. So try to understand this point also. Try to understand this point also. Try to understand this point also. Are you okay with this? Afterwards, you will get full clarity. These are just introduction. Just introduction. This is just introduction. For every NFA, DFA there. For every DFA, NFA there. For every DTM, NTM there. For every NTM, DTM there. DPDA possible means NPDA possible. NPDA possible, DPDA not possible. So NPDA having more power. NPDA having more power. Bhaiya, are you okay? Bhaiya, are you okay with this? Can we move to next? Everyone, can we move to next? Hello, can we move to next? Check once. Can we move to next? Finite automata broadly two. There may be more also. We'll see in the actual class. Whenever finite automata is going on, we will check clearly. As of now, I can say finite automata is two types. Finite automata is two types: DFA, NFA. DFA, NFA. There is a one more person. If you want, I will write. There is a one more person. Epsilon NFA. Epsilon NFA. Epsilon NFA. There is a one more person. Is expressive power also? You see, all are same. All three are same. For every NFA, epsilon NFA there. All same. These all three will be same. Finite automata are three types. Maybe some people saying that why Redisar is not written the epsilon NFA. Yeah, DFA, NFA, epsilon NFA. There are three are there. All three will be same in terms of expressive power. If you want, you can write that also. If you want, you can write that also. Maybe some people are thinking. So I thought let's go ahead that also. Let's go ahead that also. DFA, NFA, epsilon NFA. Expressive power of all these three people same. Every DFA, NFA there. Every NFA, epsilon NFA there. All three will be same. A different way of representation. Different way of representation. Right? In human nature also, all boys equal to all girls equal to, maybe there are third gender also there. They are also equal. This is God creation. You cannot say anything. I cannot say anything. It's a God's creation. That is a God's creation. All will be equal. You cannot say boys are superior. You cannot say girls are superior. You cannot say third gender. Third gender is a less graded people. You cannot say this. You cannot say this. Third grade people, third gender is going to be less grade people. You cannot say. It's a God creation. It is a God creation. Anyone who is honest, anyone who is hardworking, anyone who is honest, anyone who is hardworking, right? They are equal people. Not boy, not girl, not third gender, nothing like that. It's everything is God creation. We cannot say they are less, they are more like that. DFA is equal to NFA is equal to epsilon NFA. These three all three will be equal. But DPDA, NPDA more power. DTM, NTM both are same power. Both are same power. Both are same power. Right? Fine. That is also okay. So tomorrow onwards, actual automata will start. All the, I think, introduction is done. All the introduction is done. Tomorrow onwards, actual TOC will start. Tomorrow, first class of TOC basics will start. Tomorrow, first class of TOC will start. If anyone is not joined, in the exam prep tool, please join. If anyone is not joined in the exam prep tool, please join. Exampreptool.com. From there you can join. If you have any doubt, you can WhatsApp us. If you want to crack the GATE exam, please start early. Because many people are saying now, Reddy sir, I completed 80% syllabus. What should I do? Because you joined late, that is the reason. Reddy sir, I completed 90% syllabus only. I got these many marks. What should I do? Reddy sir, I completed 80% syllabus. I got 40 marks. Reddy sir, I completed 90% syllabus. I got 50 marks. What should I do? Why you got only 80% syllabus? Why you completed only 90% syllabus? Very simple. You joined late. Reddy sir, I completed 100% syllabus. I got approximately 55. What should I do? You are not done practice. That is the reason you got. Yes, sir, I am not done the practice. Why you are not done the practice? Because I joined late. I started late. If you join late, if you start late, trust me, these are the things which are going to be happen. Start now. Tomorrow onwards, first class of TOC will start. Tomorrow onwards, first class of TOC will start. Start now. My sincere suggestion is start now. There is a offer also going on. EPT 610 EPT. It will close. EPT 610 EPT. 50% discount going on. Use it. 50% of discuss, right? 50% of discount is going on. Please use it. Someone is asking, can we create epsilon NFA with DFA? Of course, everything possible. Every NFA, DFA there. Every DFA, epsilon NFA there. All are same, but a different way of drawing. Something is easy, something is tough. Something is easy, something is tough. DFA there means NFA there, NFA there means epsilon NFA there. All three will be same, different way of representation. Right. If you want to avoid this, sir, I got 40 marks, I got 50 marks, I got 55. If you want to avoid this, please start now. In 1 year only, see, 1 year only, you will get the nice rank. In 1 year only, you will get the nice rank. In 1 year only, you will get the nice rank. So in the last year, right, in the 2025 GATE paper, 59 questions came from class notes. 59 questions came from class notes. In 2025 GATE exam, 59 questions came. In 1 year only, you will get the nice rank. If you are serious, you can join happily EPT. Yeah, fine. I think we'll meet in the next class. I want to start now, but right, it's almost time is over. In the next class, we'll see that. In the next class, we'll see. As soon as I will start the next class, I will start the first class of TOC. Till now, introduction is done. Yeah, thanks everyone. See you in the next class. See you in the next class. Right, fine. Sorry for late today. I think 10 minutes. We are 10 minutes late. We are 10 minutes late. Thanks everyone. Bye.